How's it going? My name is Elias Medina. This, for my demonstration speech, I decided to show you guys how we in the military put our accessories, our awards, our badges on our uniform. Now, many of you guys have been to the airport and you see soldiers walking around with a uniform, all these badges. Nice, they look pretty nice, but you gotta understand one thing too. It is a process. There is an Army regulation that tells us what to wear in a uniform and how we can wear it. Okay, and that's what I'm gonna demonstrate to you. All right, right off the bat, you're gonna have the Army service uniform. It's blue in color with gold trimming. Okay, now this uniform has a little historical data that dates back to the Civil War. It's blue in color, and it's blue in color, and you wear these pants right here with a gold stripe, just like the Civil War. Okay, it used to be Army green, but now it's the Army blue uniform. All right, right off the bat, we're gonna start from the top to the bottom. Okay, you're gonna look at your lapels right here, the lapels. Okay, what we're going to put on there, what goes on there, for you guys that don't know, is the unit citation. Correction, the unit crest. This unit crest shows you what unit you're in. In this case, I'm in the 11th Armored Cavalry. Has a little horse symbol with a couple little decorations. And what you want to do is want to center it left to right, from the edge of the button to the edge of the arm of the shoulder sleeve. Just like that. Okay? Now, for this type of for putting on a uniform, I recommend you get this nice little high-speed ruler. Typical school ruler that students use, your local nun uses. This is what you use to measure, and it costs a few cents. And what you want, you can measure it, the distance. Okay. Left side, same thing. Center left to right, just like that. Push it through. Make sure it's even, and you should be good to go. All right. Now, there's another accessory you wear over here on the right side of the uniform. It's called the infantry blue cord. What you want to do is slide it over. Again, this is only for people who are in the infantry. All right. Just wrap it around the button. Just like that. All right. And then button it up. Just like that. You see? See how it looks? Alright? It's going to be diagonal. Then we're going to start with your collar. We're going to put your branch insignia and your insignia that represents the United States Army. Alright? Mine has a little blue disc because guess what? I'm in the infantry. Okay? Again, US is always right. You're going to center it from left to right on your collar. Diagonal it. Okay, just like that. Centered from left to right, a little seam to the collar. Same thing with your balloons, with your infantry insignia. In this case, it's cross rifles. Push it through, good to go. Now you see the little notch right there? You want to do an imaginary line? It's got to be centered. Okay, now you want to start on the left side. That's where all your awards go. Now on the left side, you want, as a base to start all your awards, you want to put your awards, your individual awards, okay? You're going to go from the highest to the lowest. Correction, from the lowest to the highest, okay? You got to center it left to right in your pocket, 1/8 of an inch of the left pocket, breast. Just push it through, just like that. All right, being careful, taking caution that you don't want to, remember, these are like little sharp needles that you can push through the uniform. You might cut yourself. All right, 1/8 of an inch up from the top of the pocket. Measure it. Okay, do your little imaginary line. Center left to right. Okay, now we have our bases started. Now you want to put in your any infantry badges you have. In this case, I have a combat infantry badge. It's going to go 1/4 of an inch up. Center left to right. Okay, again, measure it 1/4 of an inch up. Then you're going to put your additional skill identifiers. Okay, airborne wings, rifle marksmanship badges. Okay, you can put up to 3. In this case, I'm going to put 2. 1/8 of an inch down from the pocket. All right, from the top of the pocket. 1/8 of an inch down from the top of the pocket, just like that. Now, this is real tricky when it comes to this because you have to kind of push it through. You're going to measure it from the edge of, do an imaginary line from the edge of the pocket of the button to the edge of the pocket, and center left to right, okay? Another part, accessory you put in uniform is like an identification badge. Like this case, I was a drill sergeant. I'm gonna put this on my left side. Used to be, and your ACUs were on the right side, you're gonna wear this on your left side, okay? So, what we're gonna do is slide it, just like that. Poke it in. Careful with your fingers. Send left to right, up and down, in your pocket. Don't worry about it, your uniform's pretty thin, you'll be able to squeeze it in. Then you're gonna put other badges up here, like this case, the unit citation. These are citations your unit gets. Center, again, center left to right. Just like that. Okay? 1/8 of an inch up. I'm gonna push it through there. There you go. Alright? Center. Then you're gonna put your name tag on there. Alright? Center left to right, from the top of the pocket to the top of the button. Center. Alright? Then you're gonna put what you call your wartime shoulder sleeve insignia. This signifies that you've been in combat with this unit. Okay, this is going to go on your right breast pocket. Again, you're going to center it left to right from the top of the pocket. Correction, from the top of the pocket, from the bottom of the pocket to the bottom of the, just like that. There we go. All right, from the bottom of the pocket to the flat, to the top of the flat, just like that. Okay. Actually, it's a little bit crooked. There we go. Just like that. All right. And that's how you wear the uniform. Okay. Now, when you see people at the airport, you know there is a process. It's a regulation that we have to wear the uniform in this order right here. This is just the basics right here. Everybody pretty much has the same thing. Okay. So hopefully, I demonstrated you guys how you put the proper way to put the accessories on a uniform. And now when you see a soldier out there, you know that this is a process we had to go through. Thank you very much.